Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by giving Auto Keyboard the permissions it needs so it can inject keystrokes. This is essential. Next, create or import a simple macro file with the exact keys and delays you want, and save it with a clear name. Once done, assign a global hotkey so you can trigger the macro anytime, and enable Run at Startup only if you require persistent automation. Make sure the target application is focused when testing to capture expected behavior. Now you construct the macro itself. Either use record mode for fast capture or type entries manually with key, delay in MS, and repeat values for precision. Then add conditions like window focus checks so the script runs only when the right app is active. This prevents accidental input. Once configured, set the repeat count and interval between cycles, test a short run, and save a version backup so you can revert if adjustments are required. To finish, run the macro with a low repeat count to verify behavior and watch the cursor to confirm keystrokes land correctly. If something misfires, step through the script while monitoring the app focus and adjust delays. Timing is the most common culprit. If Auto Keyboard seems unresponsive, revoke and then regrant permissions, restart the target application, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: increase delay increments by 50-200 ms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.